Hello and welcome, Piotr Fessner here, or Peter if you prefer. So in this episode I would like to show you that working with GitHub, it can be really easy. So GitHub, if you don't know, is a really great tool to share the code among certain developers. Yes, so now understand it is simple. You can either push the code, which one you created, or you can pull it from the repo, from the repository. Now the repository is held at, in this case, it's at github.com, yes, at this website, and you've got your own account, which you need to initialize first and set it up and so on. And once you've got it, you can just work with it. So let us go here to this project. Let us enter the project which we're working on, our business. Yes, let us start, because I have two environments with two setups. So I'm using Laragon for one setup, and then I'm using XAMPP for second one. So let's start server of PHP and MySQL, yes, Apache, and so on. So once it started, yes, it started. So we can check that here at the bottom is UI FAQ. And if we would type git status, yes, I'm just telling from the top of my head, okay? So, so you can see now that I've entered cd Inte team, and git status showed me that I'm on a branch UI FAQ. So it's the same which is here, yes? So that's the branch which I'm working on. So the first thing I'm doing, if I don't understand something, I should have a cheat sheet, yes? So I can go Google, here, GitHub, cheat sheet, yes? And that's it. And then I can open that first one here, which I've used several times, yes? Let us zoom in, yes? And let us leave that for now. So if I want to, let's say, start to work with a new branch, because working with a main branch would lead to certain troubles on the way. So the best way is to work always, as you work in the repository, the dev branch. Okay, and then when you merge other branches to the dev branch, if there's no conflict, it's possible to pull that code from your computer to that dev branch. And once everything is the right way, you can merge the dev branch with a master branch, yes? So we are working now on a FAQ. And if we would like to, let's say, if we would like to do two things, yes, we can first pull, so git pull, yes. If I would type only this, look, you see, now it's showing us that 34 remote, yes, 100%, 30 done, compression objects, that's okay, unpacking 100% from GitHub, yes, Inte team, content management, somebody has pulled something. So now you see I'm up to date with a dev, yes, I'm up to date, already up to date, you see, everything. So let's say I will go and I will change the branch now, because I wanna create a new branch, yes? So let's say I will do git change branch will be, oh, you see, I haven't been working for like months, and I need to sometimes remember as well from top of my head, and I don't. Git checkout dev, yes? And when I'm talking and doing, it's not the same, which I'm, let's say, just focusing on the code. So now, yes, if I will, let's say, if I will try to do something, this code have changed. If I would not pull it just before it, this code will consist everything apart from the last changes. So to make it simpler, let's say we will do like this, yes, git checkout, and let's do this UI FAQ, yes. Let's your branch is ahead of origin UI FAQ, you see, git push to push all the local commits, yes. So if I will put now git push. Yes, so that is trying to push. Now, if I will, let's say, add something new to this. Let's add something, roots. Let's do maybe in the resources, in the views. Let's create a new folder here. Test. Yes, test. And in the test, let's create a no, not folder, and a file called index.blade.php. And inside this file, let's just put test. And Control S, save. Now you see it's saved, so it doesn't have this circle here. If we would just make a space, that would create this circle, and Control S, it's saved. So now this has U, so it's untracked. Yes, so in order to add the changes, we need to put git add space. Oh, I'm not typing at the place where I should in my terminal. Git add space and 1 dot. Now I've added. Now it changed from U to A. You see, that's the status which is ready to go. Yes, it's added. So now, before I can push it, I should put the commit. Yes, so git commit -m with a message, single bracket, yes, or whatever it's called, single colon or whatever. I don't recall the name for it, sorry. And we can put just test of test. Yes, whatever. Now one file change. Yes, in this UI FAQ. Yes. Now, if I'll go to my Inte team, if I will look at the pull request, if I'll open that pull, yes, and I'll go here, choose which branch do you want, yes, okay, so which branch do we want? UI FAQ, yes, this branch, there is nothing, you see, nothing. Why? Because it haven't been pushed yet. But if I'll put it should be one message as well, but okay, because I was working before. If you wouldn't work before with that brand, there would be one message to put in, and that message would be here. So we just copy it, paste it here, and that's you're done. Yes, once it's there, it's updated, everything. So you need to just watch for that message if you're working first time with the branch. And we would have to create a new branch in order to see that message. Now, yes, if I'll refresh pull request, I will see this pull request here. And what happened was only creating on this test index.blade.php. Now I can create a pull request. Yes, I can put test, create pull request, and merge. Confirm merge. Yes, voila. Now if I will do git checkout dev, yes. Now if I will go to views, where's my test? It's not here. Where's my code? What have happened? You know, like what, when? Well, you see, when you merge it with a dev, yes, and you've got local dev, you didn't pull the dev, you've lost your file. And you didn't lost it forever, you just lost it in the way that you've changed the branch. If you would switch the branch, it would automatically download those changes, yes? But if you want to have it here, that's the time when you always need to remember to after switching, you know, branch again to dev, you need to pull the data. And when you will pull it, look, already, yes, it pulled so many of them, even. So you see you've got this test here, and the test contain index, and the index contain test. Now when you create a new branch, yes, let's say git, oh, again, not that one. Okay, in order to get a new branch, git checkout was, but with a one mark. And git stage branch name branch. Okay, git branch, create a new branch. But there was, apart from this git branch, there was one more which was switching automatically to a new branch. So how to create a new branch and switch to it in Git, in the Git. So we need to use a command, single command. Yeah, okay. So -b, you see, if I don't know something, it just Google. So git checkout, because now we know we are on the dev, so we are on the main one, and we want to create a new one. So it's -b, yes, -b. That's what I was telling. I wasn't working for like several months with Git, you know. Now I'm working back, so I don't remember some bits and bobs, yes. And now I can use, you know, let's say test, yes, test branch, and now hit enter. So you see, it's written only that switch to a new branch test, but it showed as well here that we are at the new test branch. Now we've got all the code from that, and we've got this new branch, and now we can do again, create the content, do this git add dot, git commit again with -m, yes, and then we can use the git push, yes. And then if you use, like we are using PRs, yes, pull request, you need to do the pull request. If you don't use it, if you work on your own, you know, you don't have to do it, but it's a safer way. If you've got a team of people, you can set it up in the secure way so that not everybody has an access to pull requests. And then in that case, everything is sorted. Hopefully this is showing you all the basics about the GitHub. Yes, and hopefully this will allow you to create your own notes about it. And if you want, you can as well use the cheat sheet as I'm doing, you know, like if I don't know comments, I'm either Googling them or I'm just going, you know, to the file, and I'm just literally, you know, looking for the documentation on some of those cheat sheets. Yes, it's not a lot of comments. You see, I couldn't see this one with a -b here. Yes. So if I would use it permanently, yes, I would put it on my desktop, but I would edit this file and I would put -b, yes, check out -b. So I know that it's -b, it's create and switch to that new branch. Because this way you will learn much quicker than just by, you know, trying to figure out things and asking everyone and you know, doing other stuff than you should. Yes, this way you can do it really quick. You see, I've done everything from top of my head apart from this -b. So it is really simple. And if you let's say if you will stuck somewhere, then you can ask, yes, but first try to do it this way and try to write down all the comments, or try to download one of the cheat sheets and just, you know, like save it on your desktop and use it on an everyday basis. So thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.